Why do millions of people trade currencies every day? To unlock the secrets of Forex trading, of course. Let's dive in. Forex stands for foreign exchange. And it's the global marketplace where people exchange one currency for another. If you've ever traveled abroad and exchanged your money, guess what? You've already taken part in the Forex market. Forex trading happens in currency pairs. For example, EUR-USD means you're trading the euro against the US dollar. Think the euro will get stronger than the dollar, right? You buy the pair, think it'll weaken, you sell. The goal is to profit from changes in the exchange rate, basically buying low and selling high. Let's say you buy EUR-USD at 1.10 and later sell it at 1.15. You've made a profit from that rise. Simple, right? But who trades Forex? It's not just banks and financial institutions anymore. With today's technology, anyone can start trading from home using apps or online platforms, even with small amounts of money. Pretty cool. But here's the catch. Forex trading is risky. Currencies can be super volatile. You can make money fast, but you can lose it just as quickly. That's why it's important to learn how to manage risk, use demo accounts, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. So, that's Forex trading in a nutshell. If you want to learn more about trading strategies, tools, or how to start safely, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and drop a comment if you've got questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.